How to enable two-factor authentication on Nintendo. To enable two-factor authentication on your Nintendo account, first of all, you have to open any sort of web browser on your computer or on your mobile device. Once you open it, go to the Nintendo account portal, then sign into your account. Once you sign in, you simply have to navigate to the sign in and security settings from the left-hand navigation sidebar. Scroll down the right-hand options panel, then locate the two-step verification row, and then click the edit option, click the green two-step verification setup button, then proceed to verify your email. Once you verify your email, you simply have to now link your Authenticator application such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy to generate the safe key. Once you open the application itself, you simply have to select the scan QR code option and hold your phone's camera up to the computer monitor to scan the QR code displayed on your Nintendo web browser screen. And there you go. This is how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Nintendo account.